Hi, I'm Donovan Ferris. I'm the manager at the Gene and Cell Therapy Lab here at the University of Washington. We are part of the Institute of Translational Health Sciences. Our mission is to help researchers get their products out of the lab and into the clinical trials. We have a facility with 4 manufacturing suites. We have commercial experience as well as research experience. We can work with the researchers to get the products that they need manufactured quickly and effectively and as inexpensively as they could probably find anywhere else on the market that meets the regulations required by the FDA.
They develop products such as stem cells, T-cell therapy, and most recently we've started a collaboration with Precigen to really bring a new generation of what's called CAR T-cell therapy to the clinic.
Precigen had this PRGN-3005 UltraCAR T-cell, which was targeted against ovarian cancer. CAR T-cells, for the most part, are made by retroviruses. You take out the patient's T-cells, you modify them, and then you have to grow them outside the patient for about 3 months, and then you give them back to the patient.
The patients that enroll in CAR T-cell studies are sick. They don't have the time to wait a month or more to be able to get their cells back.
The Precigen design team had realized that there was a problem with that, and so they designed a construct that did this much faster. The goal is to actually have them make these CAR T-cells and give them back to the patient within 2 days.
They've also engineered a survival signal into the cell. And once the cell begins to attack the tumor, instead of dying, the cell begins to proliferate in the body, makes new cells that will be able to keep attacking the tumor.
So they had this product that looked very good in the laboratory, but what they needed was the partnership to then bring that to patients. And that's where the Gene and Cell Therapy Lab has been incredible. While Donovan is making up the cells, we're making sure that the patient's labs look good, the patient is healthy enough to receive the product. The Gene and Cell Therapy Laboratory is in the same unit as the ITHS Translational Research Unit, and that is an incredible benefit because we have the scientists that are making the cells and that are producing the product co-located with the research staff that are infusing the cells and giving the product.
There's not a lot of places in the United States that is capable of doing that, especially at such a beginning stage level of like a phase 1 trial. So I think we bring a unique set of skills, a unique facility into a space that desperately needs this type of capacity.
The women that are getting this product have progressive ovarian cancer, and they don't have 3 months when they're not responding to a therapy.
I love the idea that we are able to manufacture products on a day-to-day basis that are directly impacting patients' lives. These are specialized medications, specialized medicines that are going from our lab into one person and has a very desperate need for these products.
So these women really are giving us this wonderful gift of agreeing to do a clinical trial where they don't really know what the outcome will be. And you're telling her that this is the first time this has ever been given to a human being, and she says, "Sign me up." That is amazing.